Alright, welcome back to Best Life Ever, Skoolie Life. I haven't done a video in a while. Just got started working earlier this morning on this window AC unit install. Got the AC unit from Home Depot. Gonna install it right back here. The opening is 18 inches clear. The air conditioner is 16 inches wide. I'm making the inside opening wider. Obviously the outside one is going to be, I'm going to have it super tight to the frame. Let me put some rubber edging on here so there's no metal touching metal. So that's the first update. All right, so you can see the progress on the window cutout for the Skoolie. This is 12 1/4 inches high. Right, so I just now set the air conditioner in. I oversize a hole, that way I can work with it and put some, padding around the outside. I'm still able to take this out with my shelf here. So I'm going to take a look at it for a little bit and then figure out the next steps.